Hello, welcome to Nitya Sadhana's YouTube channel. To start off with, let's have a quick introduction about what Nitya Sadhana is and why exactly we're making this video. So let's go. Nitya Sadhana, based in Bangalore, is a unique vocational training center for the differently abled. The organization offers courses in the fields of electronics and data processing, along with various life skills and also placement in prestigious companies. The vision and mission of Nitya Sadhana: to train mentally differently abled young citizens to become employable, to enable people with special needs to lead an independent and productive life with dignity, to provide them appropriate vocational training and ample work opportunities, to provide moral support to parents in order to develop independent life skills for their children, to bring awareness among parents and the society that results in equal employment opportunity. Who do we train? Young adults with Down's syndrome, young adults with borderline mental retardation, high-functioning autistic young adults with severe learning difficulties, and young adults recovering from mental illnesses. These are few glimpses from the decennial celebrations of Nitya Sadhana that happened in January 2020. Let's now have a look at the various courses that are offered. Special Educator Aid, with ample focus on being organized, creative, intuitive, confident and dedicated. Office Assistant, with focus on organizational skills and technology skills that are needed to know. Electronics Sub-Assembly, which includes wire crimping, cutting, stripping, bunching, twisting, battery connections and PCB. Advanced Electronics Sub-Assembly, which includes wire harnessing, routing, soldering, maintenance of order register and dispatch records, and also data entry. The data processing course includes parts of a computer, notepad, MS Paint, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and also internet and email. Nitya Sadhana also provides pre-vocational training in the electronics and data processing subjects in different centers like Bangalore International School, Deepika School, and Sophia Opportunity School, for example. Students are also involved in newspaper bag making. Around thousands of newspaper bags are made every month. Apart from these, students are also trained in other skills like money concepts, bank account, time concepts, traveling independently, and making presentations. The overall development of students is of primary focus at Nitya Sadhana. So why are we making this video? As you may or may not be aware, students with the previously listed syndromes are highly capable, committed and passionate about whatever work they do. Many students from Nitya Sadhana who have been placed in various companies have been performing brilliantly and way beyond the expectations. This video is a guide for companies who have already hired young adults who are differently abled, and also for companies who wish to hire in future. So let's first talk about the various skills that the students have. Apart from all the technical skills that we've seen so far, the students have a great memory power. They stay committed to the tasks and to the organization. They are frank and honest. They focus even on minute details during the task. They are punctual and they are very determined on completing the tasks at hand. Let's now have a look at few pictures of these budding young adults at work. students are also given good exposure to enhance their life skills. For example, the CLOVE program trains them in community living as well as living independently with minimum parental support. The students also have interactions external to Nitya Sadhana, which help them enhance their soft skills and showcase their talent. Let's have a quick look at the different workplace requirements that can be helpful. Awareness training for management, taking care of sensory conditions because strong smells and loud noises can be distracting. Good communication method, tasks with clear expectations, providing sensitive feedback, official training sessions for the individual, emotional support during stressful times, inclusion in rewards and recognition, and most importantly, assigning a mentor. So as you can see from our discussion, these individuals do have good skills and are a great value addition to any company. That's why many top-notch companies like Microsoft, EY, SAP, etc. have their own autism hiring principles because of the great asset that these individuals are to the organization. One small step from our side towards a more inclusive society can help these young adults do wonders in their lives. If you want to know more about anything we've discussed in this video and want to get associated with us, please do feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching this video.